Hello. Hello everybody. Snack time guys. Gutom. Gutom ako. Ang aking snack is ito, Quaker Oats. Yummy, it's yummy. Banana and honey. Masarap ito guys. Oh, subukan nyo ito. Banana and honey. Masarap. Ito na ang aking ginawa. Masarap. May saging talaga ito. At saka honey. Oh. Hindi nalagyan ng gatas. Pwede na. Sugar lang. Hindi marami ang sugar. Hindi dapat marami ha. So, oatmeal. Yummy guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.